Into a beer person or cultural say, Yansa, my assuming Kobiamwa, on starting Kabakosam.
Kennedy Agyapong slams Dr Mahamadu Bawumia. Kennedy Agyapong is behaving consistently inconsistent.
I see how Kennedy frowned his face as if he's fighting with somebody.
Kennedy Agyapong, will be assassino on a number. He's on a destructive mission.
For any NPP for Messeremo, Sa Papa, we more than free party more. Party way, one year do so president idea.
Ebusia come media say that there's a heavy clash on the internet for Kennedy Agyapong against Bawumia and the supporters. Mention wants to be sorry. I didn't know. Bawumia supporters any abre can be Kennedy Agyapong ever and someone enra. Kennedy Agyapong bedroom a kind. Our claim say, or feel said. And smart Kennedy Agyapong kind in fact a serious attack on Dr Mahamadu Bawumia. 89 year media so there. Omu abeki can be pa. Kennedy Agyapong. And some Kennedy Ekanya amount for SC nya omon check Kennedy enemy. I have Penyah broke media. Metro say any over like video no other room. Over subscribe button no snap click by notification confidence updates. Na better watch the mama e will comment section so baso. No ashe video no so enya bi ashe. It's not Kennedy Agyapong life and MPP. To me, the American say omo NPP echo opposition. Kennedy Edmund into mind. Yes, because Kennedy Agyapong in 2022, Onokwada started campaign against NPP. In 2022, Ninyame election home baby. In 2022, Onokwada started campaign against NPP and a campaign against Akufo-Addo and Bawumia. Says Akufo-Addo failed, Akufo-Addo this then Bawumia failed, Bawumia Hwan. Onokwada started campaign against NPP. Emma MPP echo fee. There was an enra, Anna Kennedy Agyapong, and all Casse. Any pa, yet no MP for President Tina, or Koyano, Wako Lucy Poto, almost 2 million votes there. Any says someone a second chance.
Obaya madum. Na ebini mu kase. Mami mamu abakosem kakred. Wonim. Obia odi MPP. Edi anim Abrana Rollins ewo ha obi entimi nkasa Professor Dubuahi ono your friend culture of silence ono no otimi breaki that time obi entimi nkasa obi esro Rollins Dubuahi enya kukuduro standing up to Rollins till 1992 that the Dubuahi koi onu kura no okokuma ye no okoya ni modern mo answer ni no ya mfuna nkobiem obi am peso aka no kura kire wa oduru wa ozio president Akufo komienu Akufo-Addo komiansa adubu ahin wokosai mesramu enne bia ba ya ni afi mamo ma ye ntoto ensam a enye no kura egu ya fam efe mi kire ma bokosem Nientia President Akufo yadini call second term ni say the first time or the only 4 months between 3 to 4 months and what the year campaign now vote to President Akufo nya within that 4 months no and yes and no e be sa de nako enunti and yadi President Akufo esa call second term oko wini ye there is a reason 4 months our year campaign the performance and routine side President Akufo accord ebiem and Akufo-Addo comprensa Akufo-Addo call first one on your 49.3% when Timmy and cross 50 nunti and I call second round and also a pay a time and I decided here Emma, Professor Mills, enya 23,000 votes. Anybody president. Into a beer person or cultural say, Yansa, my assuming Kobiamwa, on starting Kabakosam, and will be NTA. Akufo-Addo, as I call 2012, no. What we need, and when we are a court, Mamuti decision, and was as audio. Meaning some we need, but some see Yamina, may respect the court, no. Into young court. You hear Akufo-Addo performance the first time, second time, and I didn't call the third time. And it's all a big performance. Now to me lose over 2 million. Na ya sa be ka kira se mo fa nipa nenko. Na mayedi but emre ni du wa no kura de be ka mo mate. No kura no de ye be ka mo mate. Se mo pepawa Ghana for say Mudi Kennedy Agyapong ba ya betu amamo. Musa kwakem fia 9 fia ngotribiem. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Mama yentie nia efomfo ka. Mama yentie nia Ghana fo ka. Asori dey amuwamu wo mu kasai. E ka uki. Asori dey amuwamu wo mu kura wo ma betu no e kire so wo mu kasai. If you kai one tear, I was say some 1 year, Mobajimu Jajireje, any Aji Jajireje. Oh, campaign, Abayet the papa.
And you say a man a second chance. David need cross a man second chance because our lucky and can the first attempt in one could see. And it's need a man a second chance. But Kofo the first attempt only see poto. And I say, I know where been very near. I could for Lucy the first attempt. Lucy the second attempt. Third attempt and win here or call 8 years straight. Mama, Lucy the first attempt. Second attempt no very near. Third or say Lucy and was our baby. Ain't he? Asma Kennedy Agyapong Air Canada. What? Only name say was Air Canada. Then some more kind, and Bawumia Air fans, HSDB. Asma came from Akan, a serious attack on Bawumia Tierney, and Trim, and the media solution. Omaba came from minimum L to 3 man in the pay.
Kennedy Agyapong slams Dr Mahamadu Bawumia over electoral defeat. Guys, after the New Patriotic Party told all members of the party to desist from campaigning and saying anything that will cause disunity among the party, Kennedy Agyapong took a swipe against Dr Mahamadu Bawumia. Guys, today the news has been trending. In fact, the focus of Ghanaians was on the Dumsor levy. Focus of Ghanaians was on criticizing John Mahama for scamming them by introducing the Dumsor levy. So we thought at least by the weekend, this conversation will still be there. But Kennedy Agyapong wanted an opportunity to enter the discussion one more time. Guys, I am tempted to believe that Ken Agyapong is behaving consistently inconsistent. One, there are instances you call on the party to be united. When you had an issue with Abronye, you were so emphatic, and the point you made was that you need unity. When you appeared at the Yoko headquarters when Chairman Wontumi was arrested, you were emphatic, and the point you made was that you stand for unity. And if you have a divided front, the party will lose against NDC one more time. So as a flag bearer, former presidential candidates, you should know that it was some of your actions and inactions that caused the New Patriotic Party this abysmal performance. The embarrassing defeat the New Patriotic Party chopped was because of some of your utterances, Mr. Ken Agyapong. Some of us sit on the fence and we analyze situations a lot. I've been taking my time not to respond to any of the things you do because I understand it's part of politics. But, Mr. Ken Agyapong, I think that you should know the party leadership has issued a directive But because you know so well that whoever crosses you, you crush the person, either by maligning the person or insulting the person, so you don't care about insulting anybody. Do you remember that you are the reason why the NDC had a lot to say about the government of President Akufo-Addo? Guys, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that the New Patriotic Party did not do certain things wrong. But I must say, Kennedy Agyapong, being an insider, contributed to the loss of the New Patriotic Party. You sometimes appear like you are with the people, but sometimes some of us start to think, is it interest driven? Now you are telling the party members, or you are telling the NPP folks not to give another opportunity to a candidate who performed worse in 2024 election. The question is this the first time a candidate from the New Patriotic Party has lost the first time? Is this the first time a candidate from the New Patriotic Party will be given another opportunity? Like, is it because you are so interested in also becoming the president of Ghana? So for that matter, you are behaving in a certain... I remember you were so much into the flag bearership of President Akufo-Addo. You campaigned for him 2008. You were there with him 2012. And what are you saying? Make it just make sense. Guys, click on the plus button. I think I need to record part 2 of this video.
Yeah, a quick one. When you read up here, this is what is trending. All the NDC pro stations, TV3, Bawumia. Look at GH1. This is from GH1. They are saying Kennedy Agyapong jabs Dr Mahamadu Bawumia. And when you watch the video and see how Kennedy found his face as if he's fighting with somebody and he's attacking Dr Mahamadu Bawumia. Anyway, now let's reason. Let's just look at this. President Mahama in 2016 lost the election as a sitting president with almost 1 million votes. But no NDC candidate or NDC member came out to make mockery of President Mahama, because as at that time, that was the worst performance. You see, but today, who is the president? President Dr Mahamadu Bawumia is the president today. But anyway, I don't blame Kennedy Agyapong. This is not his first time. He has done it and gave the media missiles, bullets to shoot at the MPP. And he has done it again. Today, we were all supposed to be looking at the D-levy that the petroleum company said they will not implement it because it is wrong. This is what these media houses should be talking. But thanks to Kennedy Agyapong, he has given them something to divert Ghanaians' attention. And this is the man who says he wants to lead the MPP. Now, they've changed the game plan. He's now attacking Dr Mahamadu Bawumia personally, and his boys Alex Tete, Kosi Kwatin, George Sapon and co. They are now attacking Brian Agyapong. Today, if you see the way Kennedy Agyapong supporters insulted Brian Agyapong, you would think he's not even a Ghanaian, talk less of an MPP member. And his crime, all the crime is that he wants to contest flag bearer. Dr Mahamadu Bawumia's crime too is that he wants re-elections. This is a man that when he speaks, if you want to reply, they say we will need him. He that is attacking Brian Agyapong and Dr Mahamadu Bawumia, he doesn't need them. What kind of logic are people saying? What kind of logic are we using?
I was saying, you may make Kennedy Agyapong say Dr Bawumia elusu with 2 million votes. In 41%. In Timi and Fan San Fanunkobium, na Yanfa or no Kennedy Agyapong and Fanco. Yesha same free a MPP party mo. Your context no Kennedy Agyapong any Dr Bawumia Munina a first time aspirants. Dr Bawumia has 62%, and a Kennedy in a year 37%. It will share a year nipa minuna, why na ye can party for no edom between the onya 62% and the winya sa a year 37%. That is one. The tosumino and said was he nipa 2 million our MPP for and to my nipa or contribute about 50% yan to my wow Kennedy Agyapong. Esan say oko around echo constituency bia e can say party mpanifo na greedy e incite party for e ma dodo na ebufu party no se mpanifo no empe o masem ne nekeka ho e ma dodo na ankoto again o bubo constituencies bidin e ka say sankrofo na o constituency we make sure some be lusu Henry Kote o ka so be make sure say obelusu ayo central elusu da how kumsin o ka so be make sure say ono so be lusu kaswa eno so elusu da o ka so be ma ye lusu ensawam adojiri o koy enye se bia o powerful but so wo say no ma easy to destroy people especially nipa na wacha e wakonya ne so ampa say nipa mienu no how kumsin ene Henry Kote omo lusu o ko Gumwa Central A+ be catch and say wo ena oboa no ema otu ye nipa no wo krom asin for sukrano wo di sa seat no eche obi a wo pese daache odi MPP anim no wo constituency wo sheda ema odi che NDC ni a wo ye zongo ni kra ene de wo ne nam se yemfa obi nko esansa wo na odi nipa ne beba ebe den na odi wo kra wo region aba because ye kono wo say region Kennedy Agyapong will be assassino on nama. He is on a destructive mission. Onim se untimi wini. Onim se party for no famano. It is the only thing they say. I was on antenna or destroy Dr Bawumia. It will destroy Dr Bawumia and no bema party for atuaman. Obia was saying nipa se ope bebe ejina no. Onye ye da. Minim obia waye ye sada. Minim obia was saying nipa pa nya baby pa ejina. Unya baby pa jina krana. Ebe wie enemguase Kennedy Agyapong yesrawo kan de obetimi ayama party for first say we see we sikani belebele we say sikani ba konso adwane ndo hu say say sikafo no omo vote no beche in they say there you are on the coalition course say opesa will destroy Dr Bawumia but the nyame ahran de na wa hira there is no way Dr Bawumia ebe fa nkrofo ama omo didi obi atem kan de obetimi aye kan de entiama party for no so omotoma no montoma na jai sabi ensam na onenama okekano meda
yes Ghana for Bible says on sabako how are you dey twatokre yes twatokre Ghana for any NPP for mesremo sa papa we mu anyina mfi party mu a party we wonye na do so president yedi o ohwe ne ya wo ya wa na bi say wonye na do so president yedi na mum abro ano person be odi party no yes edi party no ama directive say mo obia ne dey enye campaign en kranke to akwa ye party no ye hu nyansa say ye mpani ye party mpani fu akasa eti enye campaign enso mo he papa di one na mo hoye mo hu di one na mo hoye na media me say NPP for person ye wini 2028 election is better see be papa ye free mu this year ye na sabi ye concentrate wo mo aka no dan say papa we ebe da no ho ayi friends say enipa boni ni atna party no abo party na dey ahwete it is a NPP from penifo epeso mu wini 2028 election there is better say be sa ayi asim for su dangote mbe yi na film na we me say o pe de wi abembonsam epasi ayi ni nyuma fa wo he papa we suban a wo hu de how abembonsam se ye ni nyuma fa wo yi pa boni ni rough ana che say simple mrakwa wontimi ni so say suban ye di ade say suban we Ghana for mo am hwe ye ye o mampani ma ne ye obi o wontimi ni simple mraso wotimi ye o mampani ye obi o ne maako wotimi ye o mampani ma ne ye eti NPP from benefo we de mami ntumfo mo amu ni chese mo ye emre mo ahwe na che eye ne say ase bema bia nyere any party masa mo nche ne say masa wo sika usika ntimi ntomo NPP from benefo mo ka che papa we say wo sika ntimi ntomo eti mo nteki action o pesa papa we na ye nkwa hunyanza say ye di party na so no ewurade nyakopom wo de Ghana for so ne me ya adwame so fansa ye dey fansa back ma yes fansa back ma so ne me ya wo wi bia prasa na no say me so ye dey afro me na wasa atras here say NPP for timi bo modern take decision e wo papa we so mo twini si nchen e so mo concentrate wo mo maka no so a me say 2028 still possible yes still possible Ghana for
abusiafo yesra MPP for papa Kennedy Agyapong yesra wate papa yesra wo de yakọ waya ma yakọ akọ opposition yakọ opposition e bia nkan se wo ye NDC ni o se wo ye woye o ni ama yakọ so NDC fo ye nyina Who say unya hoɔden te sɛ first ne nka. When the catcher said a dubu ahene, a call back, or dubu ahene call back, no papa no nyini no why am mere. I didn't know one cancer could force a do so no, a dubu ahene call back, paint you or no son call back. I don't know one cancer nanado, sir. I don't know baby, sir. Who call ye, and now call a rally. A young one I'll call you, oh, Suban, a ye a friend is a ye Kobe. Bawumia call ye, nanado call you, call ye, who could bring people down. I don't know what baby, sir. Yenya MPP 2 minutes na ma also say party no amu na bedi wachi. Baby a obegina bia you try to bring MPP down no. Why na 2 minutes open one na bedi wachi. Ada ni bebrebe. Ya boabo na.
You see Ghana for Kennedy Agyapong maintain no but won't here for two. Oninu. Enipa bia so ya de a onya no. Se nipa no onya papa hwe no ohunye wona ho. What shall I say a campaign, me boy? But what shall I say more work canoa? Kennedy, I was a MPP in Penyah for me Kennedy Free Party. But the 2028 couldn't go. Yes, I'm ready. I launched a Martin Free Party in 2024. It's here. 2024, you didn't go. Alan Cole. A dear being a land betting me a tier NPP 2028. And it is a NPP party in the Dutch here. Kennedy Agyapong also free party name because on your papa. The campaign no and someone walk but when they say Kennedy Nipa oh no a chop on the buy no. In fina kumem, but to whom any pay chabon and said that beckon some quasia chopan. I didn't know make us, nay, someone walking ye or say, or my party na bakwasem, or say party is your moon mobile at this time, and Mofanimra, no medi party in na my yanka say. Yensema Bawumia, or no crowd more Bawumia din you, asimesi. Show, or party member, or party leader, untimi money dinya, akuma ikuta utia Bawumia no. Kennedy, a bonia kumana satra wadi. Dio, all canon, or say, 92, na a culture of silence, royals in person no beyond to Menkasa. But the Dubuani, and the Nyaku drew. A break is a culture of silence, a woman, rollers a pencil. And no more did a Dubuan call elections 92. Yes, you said Dubuan a call 92 elections. Okay. And a Dubuan lose ye. The Kennedy in summer walker or say a Dubuan Pukrano Nyaku could do solitary rollers a crown or call you no Lusuyan. Yamanansia and cause second tie. And about President Kufuor 96 and by President Kufuor by 96 no according to Kennedy or say President Kufuor lose 96 but vote or the lose yen na a year the asema Kennedy ne come and President Omoye say President Kufuor losing no and yet total lose in the answer for the second time. Into 2000, President Kufuor Bayen, there was a reason. Okay, and President Kufuor be winning 2000, and now really up to 2008. We are not Sunday about Kufuor also, and also Kufuor the man's third time because 2008 elections. Kufuor dunya 49.3%. Yes, yenim time and decided Dr Mahamadu Mills at 23,000 at the president. Okay, Intina party is Kufuor the second chance. And a second chance 2012, Kufuor winning and you ream the court. Court and a decided and Kufuor jail. And yes, Kufuor third time because 2012 no so we need you into party no adwin am dem akufa no third time ni into ti Kennedy nsem a waka na me kire wo no na me wiaba abeka wasem bi into 2016 ana masande akufa do baaye ana baji tumi na obi ani wa walusu said the asimesi or refer to Bawumia but when me mo Bawumia di intino and says yes sama Bawumia second chance Kennedy when you watch it that for ni nyina no moyale me bisa o say adubu an pen so Kennedy oni NDC eye adwuma bom e finance NDC ana is a question. 2 me bisa wasem say President Kufuor penso za 2 chances na mo de ma President Kufuor no wo any alan mo workiti ya President Kufuor ana NPP ana mienu President Kufuor wono susu be di sa 3 onya 3 chances o de be wini ye sa bra Kennedy o support Kufuor me nimse na wo ye Kufuor fan pa finance Kufuor sa bra no finance Dr Mahamadu and this Fuana sa bra na ukutia party nana sa bra no A+, who is A+, Sanko Babe a member of parliament o sorry tia ti die pana Bawumia de ayaw onya lanche matin e die na Bawumia de ayam so ye kremoni ana so ye ceremony ana so ye den Bawumia ba party in 2007 and now mama the chance a man be 2 franca obi 2 franca 207 to date Bawumia INPP ni entidi na si kwan pa se Bawumia be party na si ho be support Bawumia manage party na si ho we dey dance say one say am be party na 2028 I obasi am Soviet ya NPP enti NPP mpanifo nyina mo mani na ho Kennedy ho oye bonsam Kennedy nya papa mitim usuban tan na sachara ukuta kona boni because enipa anya mira eni emu say enipa no ohia buru samwa ni nua na wahia no because adwenya komekita Kennedy Agyapong on enya papa say asimesi over Bawumia and our friend asimesi untimi mo Bawumia din aden 2024 obi anim say wo Kennedy wo share wo wasie wo Bawumia se wo say President Kufuor for 3 to 4 months na campaign ya de benya sa vote no Bawumia or they saying na be campaign or ye na campaign what in radio so TV so say no ebubu no ole foundation na no wadwiri egu ole foundation na no wadwiri egu wo expect so be wini o expect so be wini sa over 2 million na olusu ye no aye Ghana for na to aba because of wo Kennedy nkwasi asema na wo keka e ma Bawumia ho be ye aye wo Kennedy Agyapong aye emma Bawumia boni a wudi Bawumia no nyame no bedi prosperity will judge you. I'm telling you Kennedy kwasi asema 2024 wudi Bawumia esa koma boni prosperity will judge you because onya papa me fisa nka wasachra me fisa nka onya nu wo onu se ede na baye abronya asem okan ne ne kore me ya jeji se NDC wini apena wo Mahama ayire ho lodina ho ene ko kase akoko se Kufuor ado esense wo pe wo contract sika aje over 600 million ani ya de amount ya tu amount etidie na wo ye ma NDC 2024 ntie ne onana mo awuji woni wo NDC abem Kennedy nyame no bedi
Esma Kennedy Agyapong ekan yi as wo edipa. What is your view on that? Tell your mama ever comment section. How you Penyah.